stop playing with him.
DEVINCI and his bitch. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm DEVINCI. Oh my gosh, we're here with the 12 days of Christmas makeup looks. Today we're doing day 1. Let's play the song.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this 12 days of Christmas. I'm gonna be uploading every single day for 12 days. And let's start. The palettes that I'll be using in today's makeup tutorial are totally affordable. I'm gonna be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil because it has a few different green tones in there. And then I'm gonna also be using the Morphe x James Charles. Okay, so we're just going on with that light brown in case we mess up. So have you guys already started Christmas shopping? Are you not buying anybody anything for Christmas? These presents are real. We're gonna make people come over to our house for Christmas this year. Yeah, pick up their presents. So we're excited. We're such jolly, we're in the jolly spirit. So I'm super excited. So yeah, all these presents are totally real. So right now I'm just drawing a base. You guys, you know that song? It goes too hot, too hot, too hot, baby. Gotta learn to shelter, gotta run for shade. That song has been stuck in my head. I actually had a dream about it last night for some odd reason. So I woke up this morning wanting to hear it and it's just been stuck in my head ever since. Don't think that this needs to be perfect. They're roots. Let's start off with a light green and I'm just really packing it everywhere in like clusters. I don't know why you would not want to wear your makeup like this for Christmas. But I just wanted to get fun in the holiday spirit. And let's see if we can keep this up for 12 whole days. So now that we have these spots everywhere, we're gonna go in with the darker green shade. So we're gonna mix the dark green and light green and just start painting it in the clusters as well. So ours is starting to look more like a water painting and I'm not mad at that. We can have water painting vibes. All right, so we're gonna go in with this little white, the white in the Morphe James Charles palette. So I've just been using these two. Now I'm gonna go in with this white. And I'm gonna draw some more, what do you call that? Roots. And then we're gonna also add some more brown throughout the tree. So like branches.
Shawty said she went hella way, she just wanna do, yeah. Shawty said she.
The more details you add, the better it'll look. Okay, so the pear is going to be the interesting portion because I don't know how we're gonna get this pear on there. What's your favorite Christmas movie? I think mine is probably This Christmas with Chris Brown. Ah, it's just so good. So what's your favorite Christmas movie? So I don't know how you would know the difference between the pears. Okay, so our pear idea was a fail, but the tree is a vibe. We could draw a pear. We're gonna need to draw our little partridge guy right here. We'll draw him like right there. Okay, so I'm about to draw a partridge, which is a bird in the middle of my forehead. Oh Jesus, let's just zoom in and figure this out, huh? I'm so nervous. All right, let's do this. Now we're gonna go on with Code James. You guys, this has been my favorite shade to use. Okay, so we have one wing on. All right, we're gonna put a bit more yellow in the inner corners. Then we're gonna put some glitter in our inner corner. So these eyes are totally wearable for Christmas. So we're gonna use this $10 glitter. This was from Party City.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Stay tuned for tomorrow's On the Second Day of Christmas. If you just Google, you can see where my inspiration is coming from. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
All is red, looking like a blood G. He wanna give me everything like he owe me, but you don't know me.